Deep within the jungles of Cambodia, an ancient struggle is unfolding. A massive sacred fig tree has spent centuries wrapping its roots around a stone gateway, slowly merging nature and architecture into a single breathtaking monument. This is Ta Som Temple, one of the hidden gems of Angkor. Located at the eastern end of the northern Baray, northeast of Angkor Thom, and just east of Neak Pean, Ta Som often sits in the shadow of its more famous neighbors. Yet for many visitors, it becomes one of the most memorable places in the entire Angkor complex. Ta Som was built at the end of the 12th century during the reign of King Jayavarman VII, one of the greatest rulers in Khmer history. After years of conflict, Jayavarman VII rebuilt and expanded the Khmer Empire, launching one of the most ambitious construction programs Southeast Asia had ever seen. During his reign, roads, hospitals, reservoirs, and magnificent temples transformed the landscape of Angkor. But Ta Som was not built simply as a monument to royal power. The temple was dedicated to the king's father, Dharanindravarman II, who ruled the Khmer Empire from 1150 to 1160. In many ways, Ta Som stands as a son's tribute to his father, preserving memory through stone. Architecturally, the temple is relatively small compared with Angkor Wat or Bayon. A single central shrine sits within 3 enclosing laterite walls and a surrounding moat. Its gateways, known as gopuras, are built in the distinctive Bayon style and feature serene faces looking toward the 4 directions. These faces reflect the religious and artistic changes that took place during Jayavarman VII's reign, when Mahayana Buddhism became a major influence throughout the empire. Yet what truly makes Ta Som unique is what happened after the empire declined. Unlike many ancient monuments that were completely restored, Ta Som was left largely untouched. Over the centuries, trees and vegetation slowly spread through the ruins. Roots pushed between stone blocks, walls cracked, and nature gradually reclaimed the temple. The most famous example is the eastern outer gateway, where an enormous sacred fig tree has wrapped itself around the structure. Today, it remains one of the most photographed scenes in all of Angkor. Preserving this delicate balance between nature and history has required decades of work. The World Monuments Fund added Ta Som to its conservation program in 1998 as part of a broader preservation effort across Angkor. Since 1992, the organization has invested millions of dollars in conservation projects throughout the region. In January 2024, completed preservation work at Ta Som was officially handed over to Cambodia's Apsara Authority, ensuring that future generations can continue to experience this remarkable site. Today, Ta Som remains a powerful reminder that history is never truly frozen. Here, stone, roots, faith, and time exist together in a way few places on earth can match. And in the quiet corners of Angkor, the story of a king, a father, and a civilization continues to live on.